Hi and Assalamualaikum. So for today, I will be explaining about concept design for our project, which is Infinity Remote Control Mini IRCM lawnmower. So before we proceed about our presentation, I would like to introduce my teammate first. So we have Nur Fatihah binti Rahim, Noreza binti Mustafa, Rubinesh anak lelaki Supramaniam, R. Sriharan anak lelaki M. Ramesh, and me, Rais Hakim bin Rosli.
There are 5 different types and design of blade in morphological chart that I have searched for. The first picture represents 40 teeth circular saw blade wheel disc. The second one is plastic lawn mower blade. The third one is stainless steel blade. Next one is 3 teeth brush cutter blade, and the last one is 6-leaf blade trimmer head.
For today, I will be explain about my concept design for power supply. So before that, let me explain a little bit about power supply. So power supply is an electrical device that supplies electric power to an electrical load. So the primary function of a power supply is to convert electric current from a source to the correct voltage, current, and frequency to power up the load. Okay, there are 5 concepts of power supply that I have made. So for the first, it used the concept of car battery. Next, it used the concept of replaceable battery. The third is solar charging. The fourth is the smart power station, and the fifth is simple charging.
For the morphological chart, we choose 4 types of wheels or roller, which allows you to turn and move your object in a restricted area, which is our lawn mower. And we choose heavy duty wheels, simple wheels, detachable wheels, which is we can adjust the height of the lawn mower, and then the continuous track.
Next, for the remote or controller, we have Bluetooth module with PS2 controller. Next is IR controller, Wi-Fi module to control for mobile apps, and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth module.
Body part or chassis are aluminium, iron, stainless steel, graphite, and high-density polyethylene. These materials have their own pros, such as aluminium is recyclable, corrosion resistant, versatile and flexible, lightweight and strong. Then iron is recyclable, cheap, versatile, strong, very easy to manipulate, such as fork, weld, machine, cast and roll. Graphite has a high temperature resistant, good thermal conductivity, cheap, easy to produce, high purity and strong. Lastly, high density polyethylene has low cost, moist resistant, good chemical resistant and steadily proceed by all thermoplastic methods. This is the sketching drawing for concept 1, which consists of 6-leaf blade trimmer head, simple wheels, replaceable battery, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth module, and the body part or chassis is made of stainless steel.
For concept 2, I choose 3T brush cutter blade, solar charging, continuous track, IR controller, and stainless steel for the body. But it has superior durability, corrosion resistant, but it tends to be more expensive than other body. And I choose continuous track so that the lawnmower will move easier than the simple wheels.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It's me, Noreza binti Mustafa. The concept 3 was chosen by me. As you can see, this is my remote control lawn mower conceptual design. I have choose 3 teeth brush cutter blade for my concept and a replaceable battery for the power supply. This is because it looks simple and easy to find at the market, and also easy to replace. For the wheels, I have chosen detachable wheels to move the lawn mower on the grass. It is much easier to assemble and disassemble. I also have choose IR controller as a remote control and high density polyethylene for the material of chassis. Why I choose them? Because low cost is needed compared to others and also commonly found in the market. That's all from me. I will pass this presentation to my friend Rais Hakim. Thank you.
Next, I will explain about my concept design for our lawnmower. I have choose the seed leaf blade trimmer head because I'm sure that when we use this blade, it will provide a clean cut on the lawn. Next, for the power supply, I choose to use replaceable battery so that we can easier to charge it and use it later. Next, for the wheels, I use detachable wheels. I believe that using detachable wheels will make it move freely. Next is for the controller, I use the IR controller, which is easier to give instruction to the lawnmower to move as we wanted. For the lastly, for the component, I choose the material is to be made by stainless steel because stainless steel is durable material and it has a low cost to purchase it.
Hello, next is concept 5. It consists of 40 circular saw blade wheelbase, solar charging, simple wheels, Bluetooth module with PS2 control, high density polyethylene HDPE for the frames. Next is absolute criteria in concept selection. In filter 1, the feasibility is conditional for concept 1 and 5, and it is feasible for concept 2, 3 and 4. For filter 2, all the 5 concepts are conditional. And finally for the filter 3, we put concept 1 and 5 in revive, and the other 3, concept 2, 3 and 4 in go. Next is relative criteria. So for criteria rechargeable, the concept 1 and concept 5 is better than the datum. Then concept 2, 3 and 4 is same as the datum. For criteria safe to use and easier, concept 1, 2, 3 and 4 selection method is scoring method. In that, concept 1 got the total score of 7.36, concept 2 got the total score of 7.82, concept 3 got the total of 7.56, concept 4 got 7.58, and concept 5 got the total of 6.94. So concept 2 ranks number 1, concept 4 ranks number 2, concept 3 rank number 3, and concept 1 number 4 and concept 5 number 5. Thank you.